time for another video. Today, I thought we'd do something a little fun, a little different, something I haven't done before, if I remember correctly. This is gonna be kind of a body swapping, body checkout, whatever you wanna call it kind of video. We're gonna check some things out. It's gonna kind of be what bodies and what skin tones can go with what dolls, what head swaps, and all that kind of stuff. So, without a lot more talking, I know it might be a little confusing, but we're just gonna jump on in and hopefully have some dolly goodness fun together. So, here we go, on to the dolls. Okay, this girl here that we started out with from the beginning, she is one of Ariel's sisters from the 3-pack. Now here is her body, just for reference. This is the body she came on, and there's nothing wrong with it. I'm just a collector who prefers my dolls to be able to wear cute outfits and stuff, and the molded on stuff and the stagnant bodies just are not my favorite, but I am gonna keep her original body. I'm not gonna get rid of it. This is her on this body that I got from TEMU. Now I showed you guys one of these bodies before, but not this skin tone. And I ended up getting all 3 skin tones, which I'm going to show you in this video. And it's not a perfect match, as you can see from the side, but from the front, she does not look bad to me. I'm not mad at it. It's a pretty good skin tone match, and I love this little outfit on her. I don't know if this is going to be her forever outfit, but she's got that kind of vintage style, rockabilly, whatever you want to say, retro, and I love it. I need to fix her hair though. Her ponytail's not the best, but she looks great on this body to me, and now she's fully articulated and I can put her in cute things. And this is a Barbie outfit. It's tagged Barbie. It was in my bin of dolly clothes from thrifting, and I just loved it on her. I love the little cute pink shoes to go with it. Now the stockings came from a TEMU outfit. The other parts are all Barbie. Not sure about the shoes, but the top and the skirt are definitely Barbie, and I, like I said, think she looks great. Now she's gonna get styled up better. She has a blue ponytail holder, and I need to remedy that because I'm definitely gonna put her in something pink. I just think she is so gorgeous, y'all, and I love that she works on this body. You can get the head tilt, which is nice. It doesn't go down very far, but it does go back pretty good and like rests in the middle and does all the side stuff that we love. And then she's got the elbow, the wrist, all the good stuff at the shoulder. She's got the hip and the knee joint. Oh, and they have these long fingernails, which I'm definitely gonna paint. I think that is awesome. So that is this girl, and we're gonna get into some of the others real quick. Now this body is the one that I showed y'all in my mini TEMU haul that wasn't that long ago. This is what they look like without the head on. If you didn't see that video, this is what the bodies look like. I've got this head, Christy face, from this basketball made to move girl. It's almost the perfect skin tone match. And I want to show you how easy it is to put these heads on. You just shimmy it on like this, give it a little back and forth. It's as easy as that, and there you go. Now her hair has a box hair bump because I just took the ponytail down and I didn't fix it yet. But I wanted y'all to see it's a pretty spot on match. Not like how this girl's undertone is a little more pinky than the actual body is. This one, to my eye and through the screen, looks pretty darn good, and I'm very happy with it. Even though she came on a made to move body, I'm saying that like this skin tone Barbie head, which there are a lot, will definitely work on this body. Movie magic for y'all, but it took some time for me. I could not take her hair being such a mess, so I fixed it, and I also fixed her pony as well. Back to what we were doing. This girl, like I said, this skin tone for the Barbies matches this so well, so I'm gonna give her a cute little outfit and then come back to you. Here she is all dressed. I think she's adorable in this outfit. This is a TEMU outfit, so y'all know now that TEMU outfits as well as Barbie outfits fit this body. I know it came from TEMU, but like all the sellers are different and all the clothing is different. I love these little faux Chanel suits, and I've gotten several of these in all different colors in the past, and I just liked this green one. I thought it would be pretty on this Christy with this tan skin tone, and I put these little shoes on. They fit great, so no problem with the shoes fitting that are supposed to fit Barbie, and no problems with the outfit. See? Nice closure in the back, no gapping or gaping. Loving it. Now this Ariel also came in the 3-pack with this girl here, her other sister, which came on this body here. And I got the 3-pack for the specific reason I wanted to rebody all of them because I love the faces. I love this cute little Ariel face. However, none of the bodies that these two are on are the right skin tone for this Ariel, so I'm gonna have to get her a made to move body, which doesn't bother me at all. I just wanted you guys to know that and and take note so that if you're trying to body swap, I know there is a made to move body. It is a good skin tone for her. I'm not exactly sure at this moment. I'll take and insert it if I find it when I'm editing the video. Now this cutie is Ariel's other sister that came in the 3-pack. She was on this body. And I do really like this like corally pinky tone of this one. I like the sparkles in the tail. I'm not mad at any of these. I will be keeping all the bodies, you know, so I can swap them back if I want to. And if anybody's curious, this is how I do the neck pegs. I take my clippers and cut that off. That's how I get that like that. This way it's more like the new dolls that have the easy on, easy off to get the heads off and back on easily. Now this girl's face I absolutely love. Just like the other sister with the brown hair, I am in love with these. Now I know you can tell this is definitely nowhere near a perfect match. It is the closest that I have for this body. Most of the ones I've tried, even this Odell, is still not a perfect match. See, as light as she is. So what I thought was possibly blushing this body in a way to make it more, because it is the right skin tone, it's just not as pink. You know, it is a fairer skin tone, it just doesn't have the pink. So I'm gonna try something along those lines and then I'm gonna come back to you. Okay y'all, I'm quite pleased with what I've gotten so far, but I wanted to show you a little on camera. This is what I used. I got this at Dollar Tree and my great big kabuki brush, and all I did was lightly swirl it over the body. I lifted up the arms and everything. However much you want to do to your doll, you know, craft at your own risk, all that good stuff. Now I did this because it's just makeup, and I figured if it didn't work or I didn't like it or whatever have you, that I could like undo it, you know, just by washing the body. But to me, it looks pretty good. And I just, you know, went over the hands, went over the arms. Now see here in the middle, in the breast area, it wasn't getting as much, so I just went like that, and then I just swirl it. But I was most concerned with like up around her neck here and like on the shoulders and whatnot, making it more of a match so it's not so stark. See how much better that looks? Because she was so stark before. And then you can do the little elbow joints, and this hand I didn't get as well, so I'm gonna go over it and see. It doesn't take a lot, and it looks pretty good as far as I'm concerned. I went all down her body, did her knees and her feet and her calves and everything. To me, I think it looks pretty good. Okay, I am pretty happy with how this looks now. I am finished with what I want to do. It doesn't have such a stark difference between her neck and her head anymore. Pretty cute. Like I said, craft at your own risk. If you're worried about it coming off, you could always, you know, use Mr. Super Clear if that's something that you're into. I don't have that. You could try like a Mod Podge watered down matte to keep this, because it will rub off because it is just makeup, but it won't harm anything really, I don't think, because it is makeup and it will wash off. So for me and my dolly goodness fun that I want to get up to, this is perfect and I love it. So now we're gonna dress this cutie and I'll come back to you. Here she is all dressed. She's so cute in this little ensemble. This is another TEMU set that I got a while ago. I don't know if I showed this one to you or not. I've gotten so many TEMU outfits and things, but I just thought this was cute and I wanted to show like a variety. I definitely want these girls to be in more retro clothing. These two Ariel sisters that I have body swapped, I definitely want them to be in more retro clothing, but like I said, I wanted to show you guys a variety. And just look, none of the blushing came off on this shirt, and it has white stripes, so you know, it could have totally, and it didn't come off on my hand. So I think this is a great alternative, a semi-permanent deal if you want to give your dolls some coloring or make a body match better. Like I was thinking of doing it with that one as well, because she is missing a little pinkness to that skin tone too. Although this girl back here was a better skin tone match than this one was at first. This one was so stark. That one matches better, so I don't know if I'd bother, but it is nice to know that you have the option, and that's what I try to do for y'all dolly collectors like me. I try things and I show y'all things, and I get things from TEMU, and I give you guys my opinion on the things. I try and show you in as great a detail as I can so that you guys can make informed decisions, and maybe you want to try it, or maybe you want to buy it, or maybe you just like seeing what I'm getting up to. too. So this is what I did. I had a few subscribers ask me about these bodies when I premiered that I got this one that has the Christy face on it now in one of my shorts video. This is what I got up to with the TEMU bodies, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing, what fits these bodies, what heads would work, and all that good stuff. And I love body swapping. It's one of my new favorite things. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed getting to see my body swaps and body mods and all the stuff that I got up to in this video. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and dolly goodness love to all you wonderful, lovely watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all really are the best. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, wonderful, lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers out there. Our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family has grown so big. We are at, the time I'm filming this video, over 12,600, and that blows my mind that new people are coming along every single day, hitting that button saying, boop, we like your Dolly silliness and craziness and all the Dolly goodness you get up to. So I have to say, from me to y'all, a great big thanks bunches for absolutely everything. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join this great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which, like I said, grows by the day, because y'all come along, hit the button booty boop, saying you like my Dolly goodness and all the Dolly silliness I get up to. I have tried to create a fun and happy and safe Dolly space where everyone is welcome no matter what you're into. I try to give you a variety of videos and the most Dolly goodness fun that I can. I do shorts, I do thrift hauls, I do DIYs, tutorials, sewing Saturdays, Pinky Pink Wednesdays, anything you can think of in the Dolly world, I'm gonna try it right here. And like I said, hopefully we'll have fun together while we do it. So if you want to become part of all the Dolly goodness fun that we get up to here, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We got through this body swapping, body mod, kind of all over the place, but still Dolly goodness fun video. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dollying, happy Dolly day, happy body switching too, and